Hi, this is Brent with another chart breakdown for trade therapy. It's Monday morning, September 16th, and we're talking about PayPal. PayPal was included in our top-down analysis for Meta last week. We were talking about trading momentum indicators and the relative strength index and how on a monthly and or weekly time frame, monthly is an even stronger signal, but on the monthly or weekly, if you could see these extended periods where RSI is held in an overbought um, position, in these long extended periods where sellers even have trouble getting it below an overbought condition, that's a true test of demand greater than supply conditions. Not uncommon in strong uptrends, which PayPal did go on and climaxed out on its COVID run. We've seen the opposite here. As price has been pushed down, we have seen RSI hit oversold conditions and stay down here for a very long period of time. We do see some bullish divergence that has been built on a higher time frame. We're looking at a monthly time frame here. We also see very large amounts of volume here. It's very interesting. It's not very common to see volume stay at such heightened levels during an accumulation period. If you look back at, say, this reaccumulation period, you don't see large volumes coming in. In this accumulation period here, you actually see volumes declining. To see this heightened level of volume for such a long period of time is very interesting. It shows a heightened institutional interest. And what is one of the reasons why we're long PayPal and have been long PayPal. If we zoom in and into a weekly chart and add a little more technical analysis details here, we do see the completion of the first impulsive wave structure for PayPal. That is a 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See how 3 is much sharper than 1. And so this is wave 1, this is wave 2, ABC. It's a corrective 3-wave pattern. What that means is we are starting wave 3 here with PayPal on a higher time frame. Those of you that follow trade therapy content, if you don't, you should. We write a lot about um, the 3-wave price cycle. And how this cycle that we're in, this institutional cycle that we're in certain interest rate sensitive areas of the market, are hitting the bottom of wave 2 of a 3-wave price cycle. So if we look at our targets for wave 3, that's at 951. PayPal is currently at 70. We do expect to see PayPal continue to break up out of here into its new impulsive wave structure, which will be wave 3. Wave 3 does typically have a much sharper angle than wave 1. So we're in wave 1 of wave 3, but as we get going, we expect price to sharply and aggressively start moving forward, or I'm sorry, moving higher as larger interests go through with their markup campaign. So they've marked it down. They have accumulated their position. You can see the extended volume shelf over here. This is an institutional base right here. There's a very inefficient range within the chart right here. I think there's a gap right here, I believe. So once monetary policy changes, we're going to see valuations change within the markets. We believe it's going to be very bullish for equities, and we believe PayPal is going to do very well long-term moving forward. We are long PayPal and plan on holding PayPal as a long position through the course of this next bull cycle.